Want to grow your brand on Instagram? In this quick guide, I will show you step by step how to create a professional Instagram business page so you can attract more customers and get better results. First, launch your Instagram app. Make sure you are logged in with your account. Now navigate to the profile page, click on three bars given at the top right. Now scroll down and navigate to the option Account Tools and Controls. Then switch your account to the professional account. So click on this option, switch to professional account, click on next. Now, what best describes you? Go through the list and select the option that is suitable for you and click on switch to professional account. What type of professional are you? Select the option of business and click on next. Now provide your contact info, location, business number, email address and click on next. You'll get this option to connect to Facebook. Click on the option login to Facebook. And then you can provide your Facebook account's credentials and connect your Facebook. After you complete this process, you'll be good to go. Just with that, you have created your Instagram page for business. So that's a wrap for this video. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.